Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download WWE 2K25 on your PS4 console. So WWE 2K25 will be available, the standard edition will be available on March 14 to play. But if you have pre-ordered Bloodline editions and Deadman editions, you can get early access before 7 days, okay? On March 7th, you will be able to play. Now WWE 2K25 is available to download. You can keep it ready, okay? On the launch date, directly you can play. Maybe the supporting files, something will be updating, but you can download it, preload it. Okay, but you can preload as of now, you can preload it. Okay, so you need to go to this library, okay, on your PS4 console, and then you need to go to this purchased. So come down and purchase whatever the games you purchase, that will be available here. Okay, and here you can search like this, or you can directly enter 2K25 here. Yes, it's there. So I'm going to open it. Yes, download is available. We can see the size as well. So in PS5, it's 115 GB. Okay. In PS4, I'm not sure how much size it's that. Yes, it started downloading the applications. The server is slow, I guess. Even on the PlayStation Store, you can see, okay, what under the items is available. Yes, it started downloading. Okay, it's a 5.756. I think the basic files is getting downloaded. We'll see that, and go to PlayStation Store, and here you can see the add-ons. So super cool. 2K25 Deadman Edition bonus pack is installed, and Supercharger, and WWE 2K25 VR 6 pack, and then 2K25 My Race Mega Boost, and 2K25 Bloodline Edition bonus pack, and the Rock Nation of Domination pack. So everything is installed actually. Super cool, right? So that's it, friends. Now you can see the symbol on the home screen. Yes. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can preload WWE 2K25 on your PSP console. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.